Ni mathaa muingi wa kaunti ya Kiambu Mutaratara mbere ya mamenyete kana gavana wa kaunti no Ferdinando Waititu ni agakorwo akirisha kuhagurwo thiini wa Mutaratara uria ugatengemanio na kuhagiririo ni arugamiria ward kaunti-ini no muthenya wa ruciu. Umuthi ikinya ria muthia ria gukuruhania muingi ndeto-ini no niguo rikinyukirio kuria muingi wa icigo ngurani kaunti-ini no unianire mendekithia mao ma kuhagurwo kwa Waititu maria mamukirirwo ni mutongoria wa rigi bunge-ini no Gideon Gachara.
He has met with either a local law or international law.
Shikaru-ini cia bunge niguo mundu mekuhianaga MCAs makigeta icoka na kwihariria mbere ya nditimurano retanyitwo gukeyumiria gatagati kao muthenya wa ruciu riria kiuria gia kana Waititu ni ekuhonoka kana shagi gakorwo gigetherwo wanja.
So we feel that Waititu is here to make sure that Kiambu is not going forward because of his personal challenges and his issues. He feels that he should hold the entire county hostage.
Rendekithia ria kuhagura Waititu ria tamanirio ni MCA wa Ndendero Solomon Kinuthia kuria heanire itumi ngurani ari hamwe na ungumania utheri muru wa wabici kwigwatira indo cia muingi mugaru na watho na oho akiuga ciro ria igoti-ini wa Waititu ndungimhotithia kurutira muingi wa county no wira uria kwagiriire.
We will not have any mercy on you. We are not taking any prisoners. We are taking all of you home. So please, as you vote tomorrow, bear it in your mind. You're not only voting what you need to go, you're also voting your future.
Wagwetererwo ni kuona maundu uria magakorwo makiyumiria bunge-ini no gukirikana Waititu ni ambitie gucokaniria mwe MCAs aria mamunyitaga mbaru na mwihoko wa ati ni makamuteithia gwiteithura kuma moko-ini maria makoretwo makihita gutigira ni ahagurwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV retara kwa neno ngari wa Kamau.